The paper that I will introduce is CutMix Regularization Strategy to Train Strong Classifiers with Localizable Features. This is the paper about the image regularization strategy when training the CNN in various tasks. This paper is accepted in the 2019 ICCV and the number of citations today is 62. I'm gonna introduce this paper in this order. To prevent overfitting, direct way is to increase the amount of the training data, but this is not an easy work and takes much time. Therefore, many people have studied about the regularization. The most simple way is to controlling the complexity of the model. Many regularization strategies in the image classification have been proposed and have been proved that they have positive effects in the generalization. One example is the dropout layer in the CNN, and this randomly drop the hidden activations and make the diverse effect of the data. And another example is augmentation, which helps to increase dataset simply. There is another augmentation method which is called regional augmentation. They mix or drop regions from different images and use them in training. The mix-up is the strategy that mix two different library images and use it as a mixed library data. The cutout is randomly drop some part of the images and use it as the same library data. And CutMix, which drops some part of the images and fill with different label image data. As shown in this table, they all improve the classification tasks. Let's see the CutMix algorithm in detail. At first, prepare the two image data and determine the blending region mask, and then mix the two data as I mentioned in the before slide. The level of this mixed data is determined by the proportional region between the mixed image and the original image. The effect of the three regularization method with the class activation mapping. This is the example of the mixing burnout and portal image, and check which reason does the model use in the classification. The mix-up and cutout regularization method does not separate the reason of the two label well when they have similar structure, but the CutMix can take advantage of the mixed reason on image respectively and help to deal with various input image data which generalize well. Using the CutMix regularization, we could improve the image classification performance in the ImageNet and Cipher 100 dataset. Weakly supervised localization problem is the problem that localizes an image of one label based on the activation map of image classification model. And in the weakly supervised localization problem, CutMix also increased the performance. CutMix outperforms in both object detection and image captioning problem. However, the mix-up and cutout regularization was not appropriate in the object detection regularization. This is because that they are not proper method in localization problem as discussed in the CAM result. As a summary, the CutMix is the simple regularization strategy that no computational overhead exists, and it helps to increase the performance of the diverse vision tasks like classification and object detection by the regional drop, mix image, and mix label. Thank you for listening.